Alright, I've kind of messed around with the controls a little bit. Oh, I'm getting messed up still, but I think I know how to play now. Maybe we can actually make something happen. I've heard of this game before, the Castlevania. I've played like Smash, and apparently like two of the characters in that game are from this game. I think it's Simon and something else. I don't remember. Oh, I figured out the stairs though. But it reminds me of like some other games I've played, like in like more modern times, like such as like Shovel Knight, where it's a lot of just platforming. Oh my god, I'm getting beat up right now. I'm not good at talking and playing games, I guess. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. I'm gonna die soon. Okay, also, I have no idea what's going on. There's like no cutscene or anything. All I know is that I think you're a vampire hunter, but that's just from like previous knowledge of this game. But I've never played. Oop, got him. Oh, and some good lag right now. Some good lag. Oh my god. Well, at least there's save points aren't so bad. God dang. This game is kind of hard, but I don't even know if it's actually hard or if it's just because I'm not used to controls like this. See, I can't. What am I doing? I'll figure it out. Can I make this jump? No. Oh. You definitely don't hold your hand in this game, for sure. I'm a fan of, like, harder games and, like, in general, so I'm not mad at that, but I feel like this is hard in a different way. Like, I just have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god! Oh. That sucked. There's a hole there. Maybe I go down the hole? Is that a hole? Oh. Yeah, see, I don't know what's going on. What is that? Frog. Or a chameleon. That's awesome. Yeah, I definitely like the way this game looks. I feel like it has a... I'm not quite sure when it came out, but I'm a fan of how it looks. I feel like I'll drown if I fall down. Ugh. Anyways. I'm not sure how the scoring works yet. I think it's just depending on who I kill, is what I'm figuring out. Oh, God! Oh my god! But I'm not quite sure about the scoring. Yeah, it's just going up when I kill, so that makes sense. Oh, what's that? Can I don't know how to take that. Of course. Stop! No! Ugh. I don't know. It's just, I definitely like. I feel like one thing that's maybe, I don't know. Again, maybe it's just because I'm used to the way modern games play, but just not knowing these controls and oh my goodness, see, I just died. But definitely leading to a less enjoyable experience. But I feel like with time I can figure it out. But something I think that's definitely changed with time is how like cohesive controls are. Because some of this stuff is just very janky. Ooh. Oh my. And it's game over. Well, I guess that's it. But no, it's pretty good. I enjoyed it. I definitely prefer modern games, I would have to say. But I can see like where, I mean, there's a lot of stuff in this game that is obviously, you know, carried over to the future, just enemies, platforming, all that stuff. And I could definitely see the influence, and it's definitely enjoyable, but the controls are a little weird and wonky for me. But I like the way it looked for sure, and yeah, pretty good time.